Hey, welcome to this guide through for this contact center performance dashboard. This is just a demo of what I can build for you. In this case, we are experiencing a dashboard for a contact center environment, where we have agents scheduled to take calls. And we have seen that these dashboards are very useful for the business leaders because these allow to take a quick snapshot of how the business is doing. So it is really important that any business in any field has something like this, just to take a look at the information and right off the bat knowing what is happening with this. For example, here we can see that the volumes are coming in practically the same amount of volume by channel. You see chats here, you see phone calls, and you see email. But what also you can experience and with this visibility is that we are having a problem with service level. 75% for service level is not as a business would like. So you need to see what is happening here, why we are dropping the service level. So let's take a look at the agent performance dashboard and the channel performance dashboard to see if we have better insights. So this is something that it's definitely useful for any business. So send me a quick message and see if we can help you with your dashboard building and also your spreadsheets, and also automating the data for these dashboards to refresh itself through an API or any sort of information that you want to leverage with building these resources.